The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD chassis is built for those who demand more from their truck, combining power and versatility effortlessly. With an automatic rear-locking differential for enhanced traction in tough conditions, plus trailer mirrors for improved visibility, it's ready for any challenge you throw its way. Step inside to find an advanced Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system for seamless connectivity and plush seating for ultimate driving comfort. Call or visit Capital Chevrolet GMC of Lexington today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500